Welcome to Southern Country Living, where Calvin and Marie's love is always given. Cooking up a storm, sharing their life. Do what you love what you do. That's their advice. Down in the South, where the living is sweet, come on in.
Don't this pie look good, y'all?
We'll show you how.
Hi everyone, I hope everyone is having a great day. Here in Georgia, we're enjoying the fall weather. And so today I thought that I would make a pecan pie dump cake and just see how it is this season. And if I like it, then I might carry it to a function or something during the holidays if I like it, and I'll let y'all know how it goes too. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my sweetened condensed milk. You want to get all of this out. Okay, I have all of that out. So now then I'm going to put in my brown sugar. This is a half a cup. I'll give this a little stir. And I'm going to put in my eggs, and this is 3 eggs. Stir this up pretty good. Calvin has been enjoying this fall weather too. He's been busy today. For y'all that follow our channel, y'all know what he's been doing. He's been working on his barn. So he put a second coat of paint on the floor, and then he also has been out spreading ant killer. I think it's called Android.
Yeah.
And so he's getting rid of the fire ants. So he's been really busy this morning, and I guess a lot of y'all are doing projects too and enjoying the weather. Okay, so I got all of this stirred up pretty good. So now then I'm going to put in my vanilla flavoring. And that was a tablespoonful, and this recipe will be in the description below. Some of my brown sugar is a little hard in there. So I'm going to put just a little bit of my maple syrup in here. Just a tad. I know I put some vanilla flavoring in it, but I'll put a little maple syrup too. Okay, so now then I'm going to add in my pecans. This is 2 cups. I think this pecan pie dump cake will be a good fall dessert, so I really wanted to try it out today. Okay, I have that stirred in now. So I'm going to put it in my 9 by 13 inch dish. And I did spray mine. Okay, so now then, I'll just put all of this in my pan. Get some of these pecans spread out all throughout the batter. Okay, so now then I'm going to put on my cake mix. I'll try to sprinkle this on evenly. Okay. I'm going to spread this out evenly. Okay, I'm going to get a paper towel. Just clean it up a little bit. Okay, so now then I'm going to put the butter in. I'm going to get one more spoon and stir that butter a little bit. And you want to make sure that you get liquid all over the top of it, your butter. Okay, I'm going to put just a tad of maple syrup in here. Okay, I'm going to try to get this all over the cake now. Okay, I just got my butter on my cake dump cake, and so y'all cover as much of your cake as you can with your butter. And so I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes to 50 minutes, but I am going to be watching on my cake to make sure that it doesn't overcook. And about a few minutes before it gets done, I'm going to put some pecans on top. Okay, my pecan pie dump cake just came out of the oven, and it smells really good in here, doesn't it, cameraman?
Oh, it smells great.
And the last 10 minutes before it came out, I added some more pecans on top. And I can't wait to dig into this, but it's going to be about 15 minutes before I do the taste test. So I'll be back in 15 minutes. Okay, it came out pretty good. A few of the pecans fell off, but that's no big deal. It smells wonderful. It's got really pretty brown color to it. And this would be really good with some ice cream or whipped not whipped topping, but whipped cream. And also you could put some caramel, sprinkle some caramel over it if you wanted to. But I'm just going to eat mine plain. And I'm ready to do the taste test. And it's been smelling wonderful in here, hasn't it, Calvin?
Oh, it smells great.
Okay. Mmm. 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 It is delicious.
I can tell just by the smell that that's going to be a really good dessert.
It is. And I made this not too long ago. I made a different version of it, but I like this one right here. It's just really good. If I had some ice cream, it would really set it off. But I just didn't have any today. Didn't feel like going to the store. But it is so good. So I'm going to close out our video now. So y'all do what you love and love what you do. And we'll see you on the next video. And it's cool today, and this right here just suits my taste. Okay, so bye y'all.